So in Maryland, which is 46 degrees, mostly sunny right now in the state of Maryland, feels like 43 degrees, wind, nothing on the miles per hour, visibility 9.9 mile, barometer 29.89 inch, humidity 83%, and dew point 36 degrees. So it's going to be partly sunny around 65, and today in Maryland it's going to be 44 degrees, mostly sunny. So we're going to go over to the HD Doppler radar. We're going to start off with radar observation. So right here in the United States, they're mostly in the United States, it's going to be very quiet and empty. Except it's going to be, the rain is going to be in the New York City, right here on the top one. So other than that, it's not going to be rain all over across the Maryland. So we're gonna skip radar forecast and moving on to precipitation. And look at this. So we're gonna talk about the precipitation. The 0.01 and then almost the 0.02 on the 0.01, the yellow stuff. It's going to be on the eastbound side, which is Pennsylvania. Okay, so I'll say it again. Pennsylvania, Kentucky, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. And look at this. Indiana is approaching towards the precipitation. And look right here, precipitation is going to be in the New York City and New York. And it's approaching, and it's a little bit in New Hampshire. So it's going to be on the eastbound side towards the land and the ocean side in the United States. On the 0.01, on the yellow stuff on the precipitation. But it's almost getting towards, it's almost a little bit in Maryland, but so on and so forth. There's no precipitation in Maryland or Delaware and even New Jersey. But it's going to, the precipitation is going to be in Pennsylvania once again, West Virginia, North Carolina, and so on and so forth. And don't forget about Tennessee and Indiana. Satellite on the white stuff. Satellite on the white stuff is it's getting towards the southeast side on the different directions. The new heading on the satellite, it's going to be on the downward, which is southeast approaching. So satellite white stuff is going to be in New York, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Jersey, a little bit in Maryland, and just a little bit in Delaware, Pennsylvania, Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, and any of the United States. So it's just a little bit in Maryland in the satellite stuff. So it's on the southeast side and on the eastbound side approaching. So even the land and on the ocean side. Moving on to clouds. Clouds is going to be, look at this. So clouds is going to be, oh, look at this, guys. Clouds is going to be in mostly in the United States, so on and so forth. So we're going to start off with in Maryland, the home state. So in Maryland home state, you can see here, it's the clouds is approaching towards Maryland, and direction is going to be heading is on the eastbound side in Maryland and Delaware. And don't forget about New Jersey. So we're going to name the United States. So clouds is going to be in New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York City, New York, Pennsylvania, Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Kentucky, Tennessee, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Michigan, and so on and so forth. And don't forget about in Detroit and Chicago. So it's going to be on the clouds. Clouds are moving ahead. If you look in the sky outside, it's going to be cloudy. And even partly sunny around 65 degrees, like I've been telling you guys for the starting of the video. Alright, so most of the United States, it's really moving. So temperatures is going to be on the 40s, which is 30s and 50s. You can see here on the green stuff. And look at this. North Carolina, South Carolina, it's on the yellow stuff and the orange side. So that represents 70 and 85. Almost 100 degrees, but not quite. So in Maryland and Delaware, it's going to be on the 30s and 50s, but if we're going to mix it, it's going to be 30s and 50s, which is the 40s. So the green one's showing the 40s. So and the other United States in the temperatures are showing the 30s, mostly in the United States, except somewhere in Maryland. But you can see here, Maryland showing 30s and 50s. So we're gonna name it. So temperatures is in New York, New Hampshire, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Michigan. It's almost changing colors. So the light green one showing 50s, which is in Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, Kentucky, Tennessee. So it's almost towards the 70s on the yellow stuff, but just not quite. 70 degrees represents hot, very hot. But not quite. But Tennessee, look at this. Tennessee is on the yellow stuff. So it's on the yellow stuff on the 70s. But Kentucky and Tennessee is showing. So other than that, in Maryland, Pennsylvania, Delaware, and New Jersey, it's going to be on the 40s. The temperature is mostly going to be on the 40s, and temperature is going to be on the 50s and 30s. That represents going to be the color stuff on the green stuff. It's going to be hot and just a little bit cold. Now moving on to the favorite Maryland cities where you live. So in Bel Air, showing 42, Belcamp showing 44, Catonsville same thing, Chesapeake City same thing as well. Chestertown 46, Churchville 42, Columbia 42, Conowingo 44, Darlington 45, Dundalk 47, Edgewood 44, Elridge 45, Elton 42, Ellicott City 41, Essex 45. Fallston 45, Frederick 42, Glen Burnie 44, Hagerstown 38. So in Hagerstown it's going to be on the 30s, but mostly in Maryland it's going to be on the 40s. So Haroldthorpe 46, 44 degrees and half degrees, Jarrettsville 45, Jessup 45 as well, Jarbertown 44, Catonsville 45, Lars showing same thing, Middle River 44, Nottingham 45, Ocean City 49, Owens Mills 45, Perry Hall 44, Perryville 47, Pikesville 44, Queenstown 47, Reynoldstown and Wrightstown showing 45 and 43, Rising Sun 44, Riverside same thing, Rosedale same thing, Savage 43, Towson 45, Whiteford 44, White Marsh 45, Joplin 44, Northeast 44, Aberdeen 44, Aberdeen Proving Ground 42, Annapolis 45, and Abingdon 44. So mostly in Maryland it's going to be on the 40s, except the 30s. The only 30s we're going to get is in Hagerstown, right there, on the left side, next to Halethorpe. Now, historical weather. So, average high, 66 degrees. Record low, 93 degrees, 2002. Average rainfall, 3.66 inch. Average low, 44 degrees. Record low, 26 degrees, 2003. So the day details. So day, expect partly sunny skies. The high will be 65. Night, the sky will be partly cloudy. The low will be 49. Sunrise will be 6:25 a.m. Sunset will be 7:46 p.m. Moonrise, 10:29 a.m. Moonset, 1:12 a.m. Precipitation, 5%. Humidity, 34%. UV index, 5 moderate. Max wind, 6 miles per hour. And then moon phase, waxing crescent. So the temperatures on the record high, 92 degrees, 2002. Average high, 67 degrees. Record low, 35 degrees, 2018. Average low, 44 degrees. So today is going to be probably sunny around 65, and it's going to be on the 47 and 44. And then other than that, it's going to be so on and so forth. So you can see here, 9 a.m. it's going to be on sunnies all day. All day it's going to be sunny, but it's going to be mostly clear around 8 p.m. And then tomorrow's going to be 68 degrees, partly sunny. So we're going to move on to the forecast. So Tuesday's going to be 74 degrees, sunny. Wednesday's going to be T-storm around 66. That represents it's going to be thunderstorm. Thursday is going to be 54 degrees, partly sunny. Friday is going to be 67 degrees, partly sunny. Saturday is going to be cloudy around 67. Sunday is going to be 62 degrees, light rain. Monday is going to be partly sunny around Monday around 61. Tuesday is going to be 67 degrees, mostly cloudy. So Sunday is going to be light rain next Sunday, and then T-storm's going to be Wednesday.